What's up, guys? Welcome to my 12th tutorial. So this will be like 2 tutorials in a day, maybe even 3 if I decide. But in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to mirror player colliders. Or player colliders to your real life fan games. So like Photon, you have player colliders and stuff. But instead, it's gonna be mirror. I made this script. Um, and yeah. Well, so to start off, we're gonna more and download, and we'll download our player colliders. So then we drag our player colliders into our game, and yeah, we let that compile for a moment, if it'll load. So after you drag that into your game, you're gonna want to go to the mirror player. So usually if you used Photon, you go to resources, Photon, whatever. Instead, it's automatically in here, so we go to mirror VR, then we have our player, and you go to your player. It'll probably be something like this. It'll probably be like this. Um, you can do whatever you want with this. It's very similar to Photon, but yeah. But I replaced it with this Seuss head that I made. Um, Beautiful. So we're just gonna want to make a collider. So 3D object, and I do uh cylinder. Actually, wait, no, my bad. I don't know what I'm thinking. Um, Capsule, I meant. And we'll scale the capsule to a good size that matches our player. So I'm gonna put this on the player's head and make it 0, 0, 0. Actually, no. Body would probably work better with Mirror VR. Yeah, that'll work better. Um, Scale it up to a good size. You know. Let's put this up to here. Uh-huh. Alright. And just like that. So basically the thing that like Photon does, or Photon player colliders, basically it just disables the object, for the local player, um, basically. So that's basically what this will do. So we'll test it. We'll keep this on. There's not really a way we can test it. Um, I've never actually tested this honestly, but it works though. So go to assets or wherever you put your thing, add component, mirror, player colliders. There we go. Like that. Capsule. Name this player colliders. Whatever you want. File save. So then when we enter play mode, it should load. Like I said in the, if you watched my last tutorial on how to set up Mirror VR, you should go watch that. It is like an hour long, but it's worth it though. I had to, honestly, I could set it up in like, I don't know, 10 minutes maybe, but I want to be able to explain to you guys. So it takes like 15 seconds to load into the game, but it'll be fixed when this new update comes out. So it's hard to see right there, but it's initialized, so we can create our server. And when we load in, as you can see, it's we don't have that capsule. So then if we go, we can open it up on Dota Store on load, and then player. You can see on Photon it would just say a player, but now you can actually see the individual names because it actually names the prefab that. And it's in body and disabled player colliders. So when player colliders is enabled, well, it's really not gonna. Oh, oh, there it goes. Yeah, it's a little hard to see. But yeah. So then people can collide with you and stuff and all that. Uh, yeah, I feel like I overcomplicated that, but yeah, if you need any help, just go to my Discord, Monk's Hub, help channel. There you go. And thank you for watching. Goodbye.